We never talked about this website before, but it will actually be a pretty decent amount of money just for watching videos. Now, it's no secret that we all watch loads of videos every single day. I mean, you're watching one right now. But what if you could actually get paid for doing that? So you can lay in your bed or sit on your couch or relax on the beach and still make money just by watching videos. Now, right before I explain to you exactly how to do this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, because if you subscribe, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online. So you can be one of the first to use it, and that way be one step ahead of your competitors. And one more thing before I showed a website, it will pay you for watching videos online for absolutely free. Let me know in the comments which country are you coming from. So that way, I will know for future videos which strategies to talk about it actually work in your area and they actually work in your country. So we've typed the country name in the comments of this video. Okay, let's start. So this is going to be the website. It will pay us just for watching videos online. And don't worry, this website will not pay you in any gift cards or coins or points. They're just giving you straight cold cash. As you can see, cash is the greatest reward. They will deposit cash into your account for all the fun things you're already doing online. Now you can use this website to answer surveys and find great deals on things you want to buy online. But that's not what we're focusing. And that's not why we came here. We want to make money by watching videos. And as you can see, that's also available. We can watch videos and make money with this website. But you can also even surf the web. All you literally need to do is just Google, use the Google to search, and you will get paid for that as well. But anyways, let's just focus on watching videos because that's my favorite one. I mean, you don't have to actively watch those videos, you just click the play button, and you will let the video play in the background, and you can do something else. You don't have to actively be in front of a computer or be in front of the phone. You can just leave the video and let it play, and you will still make money for doing that. Now as you can see, you can get paid directly to your PayPal account. So you will need a PayPal account for this, because they will be sending you free PayPal cash just for watching videos. It's as easy as 123. It starts with step number 1, and that is to find and complete your mission. And I'm going to explain you exactly how to do that. You have everything from answering surveys to watching a videos. Number 2 is to just watch your earnings grow in your account. And number 3, cash out early, easily. And often. They have a really quick payout. You don't have to wait for months or years to get paid, because this website offers the lowest payer thresholds in the market. And they deposit your money quickly, securely and conveniently, starting at just $5 at a time, so you don't need $100 or $500. You will literally need just $5 to cash out with this website. Now, this website name is cashkick.com, so this is already KASHKICK.com. But don't click out because I want to explain you exactly how this works. So you don't have to waste your own time trying to figure it out. And I also want to show you some bonuses on how you can make even more money. So make sure to watch this video all the way until the end now to prove you that this is actually legit and that people are actually making money with this website. You can go to the testimonials page and read all the real testimonials they have on here. I also did a lot of research on Google. I've read a lot of reviews. I've seen a lot of feedback on this website. And people are just loving it. It's obviously not going to make you rich, but it's still perfect, and it pays a really nice PayPal cash just for watching videos. And once again, it will not make you rich. It's not going to be thousands of dollars per day or whatsoever. Now to get started with this website, all you need to do is enter your email address right here, then choose a password for your account and click Get Started. Now the next website which you can use to get paid to just for watching videos online and to earn more money by watching videos online is called QuakerRewards.net. With Quick Rewards, .net you can get paid for completing surveys, playing video games, which is also pretty fun and easy way to make money online. I mean, that's something that most of us already do every single day, you're just play a game. And by having fun on your phone, you can get paid and you can make money. But yes, they will also pay you just for watching videos, which is of course the easiest option. And then if you want to maximize your earnings, and you can complete different offers and go shopping online, but let's just focus in watching videos because that's, as you know, our favorite. And take a look at this. This is why I really love Quick Rewards, because there's no minimum for PayPal. And that's why obviously it's called Quick Rewards. It pays you really quickly, and you can redeem your money as soon as you prefer. The minimum payout is just 1 cent. So just 1 cent, you just need 1 cent, and you can then withdraw your money directly to PayPal, because as you can see, you can earn a free PayPal money and free Amazon gift cards and free in-store gift cards nearly 15 national retailers and restaurants including Walmart, Disney, Target, Home Depot, Red Lobster, and much more. So in case you're not satisfied with free PayPal money, then you can definitely take some of their gift cards and spend them on those retailers. And this website has also been around for a while. As you can see, it has been established since 2002. And indeed, a lot of research online, I've seen that people are just loving this website, and they're loving the amount of money they're making just by watching videos on this website. So just come over to quickrewards.net, click create an account that are right here to get started. So just come over to quickrewards.net and click create an account to get started with this website. Sign up for absolutely free and start making money by watching videos and maybe by playing games, because that's also an easy one. I don't recommend you to complete surveys because those are really boring and they take time to complete. They're asking really boring questions. So I would not bother completing surveys. I would just focus on watching videos and maybe playing games, because that's a really fun way to make money online. So those were all 3 websites I wanted to share with you which you can use to make money just by watching videos online. Once again, make sure to use all the 3 websites to maximize your results. And so you can earn more money, use all the 3 websites. The first one was cashcake.com. You can get paid directly to your PayPal account. It's a really superb website. You can watch videos and surf the web to get paid. Then the third website was quakerewards.net, where you can play games and watch videos to collect some free PayPal money. I hope you did get some value out of this video, and I hope you did enjoy it. And if you did, just don't forget to drop a like to this video, leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new videos. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in some next videos.